So if you come across a situation like this where you've got a check engine light and you want to save the diagnostic fee, often the diagnostic fee is more than the cost of a scan tool. So what I recommend is that you get a Bluedriver. So with your Bluedriver, you'll get a Bluetooth connection tool. And then you download the app on your smartphone, pair those up, and you can scan and read your check engine lights. This is super easy to use. This one is up under the dash right here. It's facing forward. You're going to shove it on to the OBD2 port and you'll see the blue light come on. So if your Bluedriver doesn't automatically connect, click connect. And we're going to have to pair it. This time, now that we're connected, we can read codes. Check engine light, that's what we have. 3 codes found. Put in the odometer, let's continue. So evap system. So I'm not surprised, I have had this code before. We've kind of chased it a little bit. We've cleared it a few times. It's been gone for a good number of months now, but it's come back. So the first thing we're going to check, we're just going to tighten the gas cap, and then I'm going to clear the code and see if it comes back. So we have replaced the evap canister solenoid valve and I think the purge valve, and after replacing the purge valve in the engine bay, that code went away for a while. It could be another leak, gas filler neck, or the tank as well. But I am going to clear this code. I'll show you how to clear this. Actually, I'm going to check the cap first and then I'll clear the code. Okay, we're going to go clear codes. If the gas cap was the issue, this code shouldn't come back, but it'll just come back if we haven't done anything else. It just won't show up for a bit. I'm just going to clear all codes. This is going to take a while. Okay, so we've cleared the codes. The permanent code, the vehicle has to clear itself. If the vehicle feels that the problem's resolved, that will go away, and it will take some time. It doesn't just do it right away. It'll take a drive or two if we fix the problem. If we haven't fixed the problem, it'll just stay there. But we have cleared it from here, and if that code comes back, like the temporary code, it'll just pop up again. So these Bluedrivers are very handy and affordable, so pick one up. I'll put a link in the description and the pinned comment down below. If you purchase the Bluedriver through my link, it will help out the channel. It will also help out the channel if you use the super thanks button below or become a channel member. Thanks for watching.